വെൽക്കം ടു edu.tech. നമ്മൾ കേരള PSC-Mechanicalന്റെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇത് നമ്മുടെ അഞ്ചാമത്തെ വീഡിയോ ആണ്. സോ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് പോവാം. What are the constituents of phosphor bronze? The answer is copper, tin and phosphorus. Movement of block of atoms along certain crystallographic phases and direction termed as slip. The correct order of coordination number in SC, BCC, FCC and HCP unit cell is 6, 8, 12, 12. Addition of magnesium to cast iron increase its ductility and strength in tension. During a tensile testing of a specimen using UTM, the parameters actually measured include load and elongation. The most accurate surface roughness measuring instrument is perthometer. Draft on pattern means facility for stripping. Match plate pattern is used in machine molding. Angle on which strength of the tool depend on rack angle, option B is the answer. Drilling can be termed as oblique cutting. Flow can be considered as incompressible flow when Mach number is less than 0.3. Answer A is the answer. What is the value of momentum correction factor for a turbulent flow in a pipe? Answer is option B, 1.02 to 1.05. Design of shaft made of brittle material is based on Rankine's theory. Option D is the answer. The highest stress that a material can withstand for a specified length of time without excessive deformation is called as creep strength. Option C is the answer. In a clock mechanism, the gear train used to connect minute hand to hour hand is reverted gear train. The angle between the direction of follower motion and a normal to pith curve is called pressure angle. To restore stable operating condition in a hydrodynamic journal bearing, when it encounters higher magnitude loads, the oil viscosity is to be increased. The number of elastic constants for a completely anisotropic elastic material are 21. For the same maximum pressure and temperature of Otto, diesel and dual combustion air standard cycle, the heat rejection will be same in the engine. Answer is heat rejected by the engine will be same. When ammonia is used as refrigerant, the material used for refrigerant line is steel. A spark plug gap should be 0.3 to 0.7 mm. Which type of compressor mostly used in supercharger of internal combustion engine? Radial flow compressor. Thermostatic expansion valve are set mostly for a superheat of 5 degrees Celsius. In a refrigeration system with multiple evaporators at different temperature with compound compression and flash intercooler, the suction vapor to the high pressure stage is dry saturated. The degree of warm or cold felt by a human body depend upon dBT, relative humidity, air velocity. So answer is all of the above. Petrol engine has compression ratio vary from 6 to 10. Vehicle manufacturing assembly line is an example of product layout. SIMO chart are used in micro motion study. The control chart used for fraction of defective items in a sample is P chart. Department which take care of both production as well as control is scheduling. Queuing theory is associated with waiting time. In AC circuit, the power delivered to load at unity power factor condition will be maximum. The device which is connected in electric wiring for earth leakage protection is ELCB. Which among the following is 250 grade steel, plain bar. The function of a flywheel is to prevent fluctuation of speed. The thermodynamic cycle on petrol engine works is Otto cycle. A moderator in a nuclear power plant is medium used for slow down the speed of fast moving electrons. A Pelton turbine requires high head and low discharge. In automobile differential, the drive pinion is assembled into differential housing. Which toxic compound is not found in e-waste? Neon is the answer. Dash type of starting motor is generally used in automobile, series motor. The quantity of heat produced by the fuel is called calorific value. The bottom ring on the piston is known as oil compression ring. The process in which volume remains constant means isochoric process. The level of carbon monoxide in the exhaust gas is controlled by emission control. ABS stands for anti-lock braking system. Newton meter is unit of torque. Calorific value of diesel fuel is about 42.5. Brake fluid is a mixture of glycerin and alcohol. The mixing of air and fuel in diesel engine, answer is engine cylinder. Mixing of air and fuel in petrol engine ആണെങ്കിൽ answer is carburetor. Thank you for watching. So ഈ ഒരു സെക്ഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയെന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. നമ്മളിത് സെറ്റ് 5 ആണ്. ഇനിയും നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോസ് വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുമായിട്ട്. അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം.